Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start inside Settings, so open Settings and tap General, then Keyboard. Once there, tap Keyboards to view what's installed. If you want a third-party keyboard, download its app from the App Store before adding it. You must install the app first. Tap Add New Keyboard and select the keyboard you want, system or third-party, so it appears in your list. This begins the change. It's fast and makes the keyboard available across apps immediately. Once the keyboard is added, you need to configure it. Tap Edit to reorder keyboards. The top one becomes the default when you first open a text field. Tap the keyboard's name to choose layout, add languages, or adjust options like predictive text and emoji. For many third-party keyboards, you must enable full access under the keyboard entry so features work. Make sure you understand the privacy prompt. Making these adjustments finish by testing the new keyboard in Notes or Messages. Press the globe or long press it to cycle keyboards. If you prefer another default, return to the list and drag that keyboard to the top. To remove an old keyboard, swipe left and delete. If the keyboard doesn't appear, stop and restart your iPhone, confirm the keyboard app has permission and full access if needed, or reinstall the app. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.